How to set up local development environment for Cyber-Dojo. Cyber-Dojo exercises can also be practiced in your own environment, and let's see how to do it. First, open the settings or environment panel and follow the instructions to download any necessary language runtime or editor configurations. You can replicate the exercise structure from Cyberdojo locally and run code using your favorite IDE. Use the same programming language as your Cyberdojo exercises to avoid compatibility issues and make transferring solutions easier. Have you set up a local environment for practice? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can set up local development environment for Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.